I'm going to start off using an E17 brush and the shade called Security. Just going to press it all over my lid. Using this brush's fluffy tip, I'm going to buff out the edge right into the crease. Using a Morphe M506, I'm going to put a little orange in the crease. I'm going to be using the shade Desert Vibes. Using small circular motions, I'm going to go all around the outside of Security. Using another Morphe M506, I'm going to go in with a more yellow shade. This shade is called Get the Shot. And I'm going to put it right above Desert Vibes going into my eyebrow. Gonna darken up my lid a little bit, going in with this Morphe M152. I'm going to use the shade called Seek Shade. To my eye, this has some like coppery reflex in it, but it is a matte shade. That's looking a lot better, lots more smoky. I'm gonna do my face off camera now and see where I wanna take this look from there. I am 100% winging it. I did wanna do a kind of sunflower inspired look, but not sure what I wanna do from here. So I'll be right back. Full face is done, except for one step that I'm going to try. Never tried this before, but I'm going to try adding fake freckles all over my face. I did right here a little bit just to test it out, but I do think it's the look I want to do. So I'm going to go in with this Morphe M217 and this MAC brow pomade pot in the shade True Brunette. I'm just going to ever so lightly dip, like I'm wiping off on the edge a lot, and I'm going to very lightly poke it all over my face. Freckles are applied, and now I'm just gonna pat them so that they're not as pigmented. I'm also gonna put a little setting powder over them too. I'm gonna use the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder in the shade Oat. This BH Cosmetics brush number 4, and just brush over them. Gonna add a little more blush now because that did fade it away, and I've been using the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette and the shade Twilight. It's about as natural as it's gonna get. I do not have natural freckles at all to this extent on my face. Now for my eyes, I'm going to put on my lower shadow, and I'm going to go back in with the shade Security and the same brush I used before and just tap it right underneath. Same with Desert Vibes and also Get the Shot. Same with Desert Vibes and Get the Shot. I'm going to continue this yellow orange haze down onto my cheeks. I really want to use Wild Out, I just don't know where I want to use it. So instead I'm gonna go in with All Access and this Morphe E40 mini fan brush and get that spot like right below the brow. Alright, I know what I want to do now. So I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive, paint it right in the corner. Very thin layer. And this Morphe Yam 124 going in with Wild Out. Just gonna stamp it on the glitter adhesive. Oh, that is so pretty and cute. Now, using this flat Alamar brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Front Row and bring that beautiful gold orange glittery look into the lid just a little bit. Now I'm going to pick a highlighter, and really the only appropriate one is All Access from this palette. Using the same fan brush that I used earlier, just going to apply it as highlighter. It's just a light glow, but with the freckles and the intense blush on the nose, I don't really think it needs a super heavy glow. I did a few test runs, which is why my lips look different now, but I feel like I'm going to go in with the Beauty Vault lip liner in Beau Babe and the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lip in the shade Androgyny. I'm going to apply lashes and mascara and liner and gloss, and I will be right back. All done. Here is my finished look with the Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. This is such a unique palette. It was the first of its kind in terms of its layout from Morphe, and I really like it. I was first attracted to the glitters in it because I'm a glitterholic, and I love this inner corner glitter. It looks so fiery in person. I just can't stop looking at it. I was going for a sunflowery kind of look, and I think I definitely achieved that, and this little flower crown that I own definitely pulled that all together. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my Instagram. The username is @JenBlaze, and check out these lashes. I have a discount code with Lunar Angel Lashes for 15% off. Use my code JenBlaze for 15% off. Some beautiful lashes, super high quality, super great packaging. Like, I can't stop using them. I want to buy all of them. Thank you once again though. I hope you enjoyed, and stay blazed.